Hello everyone, I am Gitanjali Deshmukh from Signet Public School, New Narek. Welcome all of you to NCERT Class 7 English, Lesson number 5, Golu Grows a Nose. There was an elephant who is having a very small nose, a small like a boot. There was a baby elephant. He is also having a small nose, as small as boot. It looks like a pig's nose. This name is Golu. He is very curious. He asks so many questions to everyone and he tries to get the answers as well. He met to his aunt an ostrich. He asked, "Why don't you fly like other birds?" Then he met to his tall uncle, giraffe. He asked, "What makes your skin so spotty?" Then he met to his huge uncle, hippopotamus. He asked, "Why your eyes are always so red?" He mixed to baboon. He asked the baboon, "Why the melons taste like a melons?" They met all together and they said that our naughty baby is asking so many questions to us and it is very difficult to give the answers. So they said that yes, really the baby elephant Golu is very naughty. He went to meet his mother. He asked his mother, "What the crocodile have for dinner?" "Shh, keep silence. Don't ask this question." But he was not kept silence. He went on and he met to a myna bird who is sitting in the middle of the bush. He asked her, "Have you ever seen a crocodile? What he has for the dinner?" Myna was very smart. She said that you can go to the great grassy Limpopo river and find out. Then he decided that he will go there. He took the 100 sugar canes, 50 dozen bananas and 25 melons. And he said to his family, "Goodbye, I am going to see the crocodile and want to know that what she has for the dinner." And he went on. When he is going, he met a python. He asked the python, "Have you ever seen a crocodile? What he looks like? What he has for the dinner?" Python uncoiled himself from the branch of the tree but had not given any answer. Golu helped the python to coiled again on the branch of the tree very quietly. And he went on. Then finally, after many days, he reached to the great grassy Limpopo river. There he saw a log of wood. But he didn't know what is it because he never seen a crocodile. And you know what is it? It was not a log of wood, but it is a crocodile. Then suddenly it moves. He asked the question, "Excuse me?" She said, "Yes." "Have you ever seen a crocodile?" "Oh, you want to see a crocodile?" "Yes, I am trying to find out the crocodile. Have you seen her anywhere?" She said, "Yes, I am the one person to whom you meet." He said, "Oh, you are the crocodile. Very happy to meet you. What do you have for the dinner?" She said that, "Come close to me. I will whisper the answer in your ears." And he was very happy. But he was afraid because the crocodile shed tears. But he took the courage and he went on. He took his ears in the snout of the crocodile, and she said, "Today my dinner will be an elephant." And crocodile hit on his nose and tries to stretch his nose. "Oh, Mr. Crocodile, you are hurting me. Please save me. Please leave me." And the struggle begins. The Python, who was quietly following to the Golu, he said that if you will not save yourself, the crocodile will snatch you into the stream. And the struggle begins. The crocodile is stretching his nose and he is also pulling it from this side. So both them are pulling. And what happened? On each pull, the elephant's nose becomes longer and longer. And finally, the crocodile gave up and went to the river. But Golu's nose was hurt so much, and he was tired to be cooled down. He took some banana leaves and wrapped it on his trunk, and he hung his trunk into the great Limpopo river. He was waited it will be cool and shrink as well. After the 2 days, elephant's trunk becomes cool, but it didn't shrink. Then, in that afternoon, a fly was stung on his shoulder, and he took his trunk and lifted it till dead. "Advantage number 1, said the Python. He said that you can't do it with your small nose. Try to eat." He was very hungry. He took some bundle of sticks and he was started to eat. "Advantage number 2, he's the Python. You can't eat so many sugar canes at one time." Then Python said it was so hot. Then Golu took a scoop of mud and splashed it on his head. "Advantage number 3, he said that you can't do it with your small nose." And he was really happy. Golu said thank you to the Python that you told me all these my advantages. And happily he went to his family. So from that day, an elephant has a long nose. Thank you.